Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel your John Lewis credit card. To cancel your John Lewis credit card, you can follow a couple of different steps. I'm going to show you the easiest step in today's video. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser, and then in the URL box, type in johnlewis.com. Press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website. Soon after you get to the official website for John Lewis, click on Customer Services button at the top of the screen. Under Customer Services, click on Contact Us option and select one of the options from the display. You can also type in a keyword or a question, and once you do that, you can view the contact details. Make a phone call on the number provided. Speak to a customer service representative and tell them that you'd like to cancel your credit card, and they will be able to guide you through the steps. Be ready to answer any security question to verify your identity throughout the cancellation process. So that is how you will be able to cancel your credit card for John Lewis in an easy and the most fastest step. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.